Asensong gabi mga ka-Asensong. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa mi ka-Asensong Barangay Kapugaron. Welcome na sab kamo nga mo tanaw po cheers sa atong first game which will be played by Barangay Santo Niño versus Barangay Napolan. Ug pasensya kay mga ka-Asensong no, kay dugay ta nasugod og na-delay gid kayo ta sa time kay tungod sa power interruption, but ayo kamo kalimot nga mapadayon gid ang atong game og no postpone. So mga ka-Asensong, ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel, ag sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official. Ag sa mo kalimot nga personal nga mabisita diri sa atong Pagadian City Gym para personal ka mo nga makatanaw ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga games. So mga ka-Asenso no, fasten your seatbelts, relax, stay tuned and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso Pagadian.
Wala. Nana, mic check, mic. Thumbs up daw, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Kana, sound. Wala gyapon. Nana? Mao na yung pinakakusog niya. Sound, ready na? Ha? Sarap? Yan na? And live mga ka-Asenso, diri sa Asenso Covered Court, it's our first mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Urban Division Games. It's between Barangay Napolan and Barangay Santo Niño. Mga ka-Asenso, pasensya kayo kay medyo dugay-dugay yung nakasugod, no? Kay kinilaging kuan. Si tawag ani. Agi po sa brown out ba? So daghang salamat kayo kay nabalik na gyud ang ato ang kurente o kasagod na gyud sa tondula. Actually ang mga players ganina pa gyud pud ni naghulat-hulat wa magutay abiso kaayo god. Kana nanay tingog. Okay na tingog. Okay, very good. 18-6. Game clock winding down with 37 seconds left in the first quarter. As Alegre tries to drive corner pass para kay Barcoma. Corner 3. Comes up short. And stolen by Navarro. And no-look pass para kay Barcoma. 14-point lead for Barangay Santo Niño. Dingal, good feed. Buzzer beater jump shot. Counted? Wala. Yeah, counted. Buzzer beater jump shot para kay number 9 of Barangay Napolan. Mayong gabi kaninyo mga ka-Asenso. Walay time ang screen? Na? $20 to 8, 12-point lead. And second quarter, Santo Niño is 12-point lead. Atienza number 4, corner 3, too strong. Kuha, balik kay Kuha sa ilalim. Another jumper, but another miss for Taliedo. And what a steal by Castile. Three-pointer. In and out. Tapi ka ng bola. Number 8 wins that rebound for Barangay Santo Niño. As Kuha has the ball. Guarded by Castile. Sinyedas. To number 22. Balik kay Sinyedas. Umatake. Ball strip from his hands again by Castile. Humantok is fouled from the transition.
Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
Humantok. First throw dahil. Free throw kay basket and a foul mo dito. It was an and one. Move by Humantok. Kuha. Stolen by Taliedo, out of bounds. Shout out kay Gaius Glenn Igam from Zamboanga City. Atienza. Balik kay Atienza. Attacking. Rejected. Gets his own rebound. Second chance point. It's good. Para kay Atienza. Campaner. Out to Dingal. Pull-up jumper. Bang! Dingal hits the pull-up jumper from the mid-range. Asiniedas. Now to Kuha. Layup by Castile. Signedas. Balik kay Signedas. Fakes. Inside pass intercepted. Kuha with a spin move. Under the basket. Missed. Second chance points. Rejection. Campaner with the rebound. Castile to Humantok. Fakes. Fires and scores. Para sa Barangay Napulan. Signedas. To number 19, umatake. Block from behind by Dingal. Ganda ng supalpal ni Dingal.
Shot clock 8.
And a foul from that play.
Foul jersey number 8. Humantok. Third personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Napulan.
Kuha. First throw is good. Four minutes and 27 seconds left in the second quarter. 27-16. 27-16. Castile. Ball stripped from his hands. Nakabitan pa yun ang kamot, ang bula day, ang bula ni Castile for that layup. Forcing him to commit a turnover. And Castile, what a careless pass there by Navarro. Stolen by Castile, now to Dingal. Jumper. Bang! Dingal with another mid-range shot. And now Navarro. Barcoma inside Kuha. Heavy traffic kay Kuha. Stripped from his hands. Another fast break for Barangay Napulan. This time Dingal. Missing that jumper by number 4. Navarro, Barcoma. To Barcoma, fakes, fires, bang! Barcoma with that jumper. And now Castile. Umatake. To number 4, Dingal. Another mid-range. Missing it this time. Datanagan. Outside Campaner. Runner. Miss. Castile, open 3. In and out. Kuha with the rebound. And now Barcoma. 1 against 3. Corner pass para kay Barcoma. Corner 3. Miss. Tapikan ang bola. Barcoma, second chance. Points. Kinapos. Pass break para kay Campaner. Against Kua. Campaner off the glass. Missing it again. Dingal with a jumper. Another miss. Tapikan na naman ang bola. Agawan sa baba. Datanagan wins it. Outside. Castile from the paint. And Castile scores off the glass.
Timeout. Barangay Santo Niño.
And a timeout called by Barangay Santo Niño as they lead by 9 points na lang with 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 4 seconds to the second quarter.
And back to our ball game from that timeout. Navarro with a floater. Kakubit pa yun si Navarro.
Foul jersey number 13, Navarro. First personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
Campaner. Outside pass to Datanagan. One-hander in and out. Tapikan ang bola. Campaner wins that rebound. Reverse layup is good. Pito na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Santo Niño. Barcoma, corner 3. Finally nails it para sa Barangay Santo Niño. Castile. Bounce pass to Datanagan. Gustong bumawi. Mintes ang tira. Barcoma now with the rebound. Now to Navarro. Heavy traffic. Tukua. Corner pass. Barcoma. Isa pang tres. This time on the other side of the corner. Para sa Barangay Santo Niño. And Dingal bumawi naman agad ng layup. With 15 seconds left in the second quarter. Navarro. To Barcoma, isa pang tres. Mintes this time. That's the end of our second quarter. 35-24. Still Santo Niño is on the lead.
Brought to you by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Manilig Fernandez. Third quarter.
Datanagan is blocked outside. Castile, left hand jumper, no good. And now Tukua. Barcoma nakalusot. Passing it Tukua, stripped from his hands and is fouled.
Foul, jersey number 9, San Diego. First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Napulan.
First throw ni Kua Mintes. Second throw Mintes. Datanagan. This time Humantok and is fouled.
Foul, jersey number 12. First personal foul. First team. 10. Jersey number 10.
Humantok, first throw is good.
First personal foul.
Second throw. And missed. Barcoma now with the rebound. Navarro, 1 against 3. Navarro extends his arm for that layup, missing it this time. Time sa rip, di ko kita rip. Bounce pass, Datanagan, baseline jumper. Labas ang tira, Castile with a follow, can't get it to go. Tapi Caramola. And a fall away by Taliedo. Shout out kay DJ Jabs. Corner 3, Barcoma, miss. Rebounded by Taliedo. 3 against 2. Taliedo, nice pass. Humantok, falls up, jumper, yes sir! Nabitawan pa Datanagan. Now to Humantok, Dinggal. Mintes ang reverse layup ni Dinggal. Sayang, ganda ng transition offense. Barcoma. Inside. Intercepted by Humantok. Castile to Datanagan for 3. Bang! Datanagan nails a 3-pointer for Barangay Napulan, cutting the lead to 3. Seven minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Napa-timeout ang Barangay Santo Niño for the 3-pointer galing kay Datanagan. And back to our ball game. Humantok is fouled.
Foul, jersey number 13, Navarro. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
Humantok missing his second throw. 3 puntos na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Santo Niño. Barcoma to Siniedas. Di pumayag ang Santo Niño na makadikit ang Barangay Napulan. Balik sa 5 ang lamang. Datanagan, long 3. Miss. Barcoma now with the rebound. Barcoma, 2 against 3, strip. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Santo Niño. Nice cut there by Kua. Wag yun kabantay ang Barangay Napulan para sa pasa to. Humantok. Muntikan pa oh. Datanagan, another 3 and another miss and another rebound for Barcoma. Uy, shout out kay Ronel Morcilia. What a pass and a cut, but missing that layup. Barcoma can't correct from that pass. Galing kay Navarro and Castile. In and out for that pass break. Datanagan hangs in the air and he is fouled.
Foul jersey number 23, Siniedas. First personal foul, third team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
Datanagan nails his second throw. Siyempre. Barcoma almost lost the ball. Outside. Barcoma. Navarro inside. Intercepted by Humantok. 3 against 2. Humantok all the way. Off the glass. No good. Buti na lang andyan si Dingal. Tinapik ni Castile ang bola para kay Dingal. For that second chance point, Siniedas. Outside Barcoma. Wing 3 missed. Castile with the rebound. Ooh. Walang sumalo. Buti lang, andyan si Siniedas. Corner 3. Barcoma, another miss in the corner. Navarro, second chance. We shout out kay Edmar Road Walo, Barangay Tuburan. 8 seconds violation. Backcourt di ay. Hapit magod na 8 seconds po. Navarro now. Tukua. Barcoma to Barcoma. Another 3. Bang! Barcoma finally nails in the corner. Campaner behind the back. Ooh. Good anticipation there by Barcoma and Navarro. Fast break layup. Lamang naman ng 10 ang Barangay Santo Niño. Campaner. Nakalusot. Supalpal by Barcoma. Navarro. Nice cut. Barcoma all the way. Bumawi si Dingal ng rejection para kay Barcoma. And Dingal naman ngayon. Nag-isa. Easy layup for Dingal. Fast break. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 52 seconds for the third quarter.
Navarro to Barcoma. Inside Kua. Spin move, piti, basket at may kasamang foul para kay Kua. And he'll be on the line. Will try to complete the 3-point play.
Foul, jersey number 12, Campanel. First personal foul, second team foul. Barangay Napulan.
And missing his free throw. Campaner. Taliedo, mid-range missed. Campaner saves the ball but passing it to the opponent. Navarro, pass break to Kua. Mintes. Kua with the rebound. Crosses over. Turn around. Off the glass. Mintes ang tira pero may foul na itinawag.
Foul, jersey number 9, Taliedo. Second personal foul, third team foul. Barangay Napulan.
Kua, second free throw and it's good. Now to Castile. To Campaner. Attacking the basket.
Campanel.
Barcoma. To Barcoma. Balik kay Barcoma. Ayun, Barcoma sa corner. Miss. Kua with the rebound. Nice pass para kay Kua. Tapos ang tira. No foul called. Castile. To Taliedo. Fakes. Fires. Miss. Tapikan ng bola. Barcoma with the rebound. Now to Kua against Campaner. Kua. Nabitawan ng bola. Bola mananatili para sa Barangay Santo Niño as the ball is stripped from his hands by Campaner. Signedas will check in. Barcoma. To Kua. To Barcoma. Turn around. Jumper. Smooth jumper there by Barcoma. 40 seconds. Datanaga, nice speed para ka number 14. Lumabas pa ang tira. Now to Navarro. Good pass para kay Signedas. Kasala pa yun, oh.
Foul, jersey number 8, Signedas. First
Uy, shoutout din ko kay Master Jew.
Barangay Santo Niño.
Campaner. Spin move. Mintes. Datanagan with a one-hander. 2 seconds left. Navarro. Mintes pa rin. That's the end of our third quarter. 54-42. Santo Niño is still on the lead.
Doctora Priscilla Kiki Fernandez.
Fourth quarter. Santo Niño versus Napulan. Medyo malaki-laki ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santo Niño. Oh, shout out Dems May watching in Kuwait. Shout out kay JR Radan Gaviola, kang Mac Daniel Alonso.
Substitution.
Alright, next game, Santiago versus Tiguma. And followed by Lumbia versus San Pedro. Kua. Jumper no good. Datanagan with the rebound. Campaner. Humantok. Hesitation. Jump shot. Kua. Kua. Baseline jumper no good. Humantok. Lumipad para sa rebound. Stolen by Navarro. Behind the back. Navarro bounce pass. Corner para kay Barcoma. Mintes ang 3-pointer. Taliedo with the rebound. Dingal nag-iisa. And a layup by Dingal. 56-48 with 8 minutes and 10 seconds left in the fourth quarter. As Navarro taking their time. Barcoma. Tukua. Spin move. Fakes. Gakalisod. Traveling violation. Datanagan. Muntikan pang di masalo. Umatake. Fakes. Fires. And miss. But he's fouled.
Third personal foul. Timeout. Barangay Santo Niño.
And back to our ball game. As Datanagan missing his first throw. Second throw. Miss pa rin. Kita. Kumusta ka na? Ball stolen by Taliedo. Taliedo. Balik sa 6 ang labang ng Barangay Santo Niño. Lumalapit na ang Barangay Napulan. Kua. Umararo. Outside Barcoma. To Barcoma. Balik. Jumper. Too strong. Taliedo with the rebound now. Campaner. Ball almost stolen pa talaga. As Dingal. 10-second shot clock. Humantok. To Campaner. Turn around, bounce pass, sumantok, nabitawan, falls away. Bang! As the shot clock expires. 56-52, apat na lang ang kalabangan ng Barangay Santo Niño. Barcoma to Singedas, swing 3. Mintes, Campaner with a rebound. Pass break pass para kada Tanagan, hindi nahabol ang bola. Out of bounds, balik sa Barangay Santo Niño ang bola. Navarro increases his speed now to Barcoma. Grabe, gilabyan si Barcoma pero gibalikag pasa. Another turnover for Barangay Napulan. Balik sa anim ang lamang. Navarro speeding again. Ayun, foul. Bite kayo eh.
First personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Napulan.
Careless pass by Barcoma. Tanagan gusto pang kumuha ng foul. Dingal missing that follow. Nice effort there by Siniedas para mapunta sa kanila ang bola. Napulan masyadong kumpiyansa. Nagkamali si Barcoma, buti na lang nagkamali rin ang Barangay Napulan. Barcoma, another miss from the corner. Now humantok to Dingal. Yes, sir! Apat na lang. Oh, shout out sa Boss Purok 3. Bugo, ubay-ubay gid sila diha by Carly Dayondon. Oh, shout out din sa Purok 3 Bugo. Yan naglantaw karon live. Singedas to Barcoma, over Kua, and he is fouled.
Foul jersey number 9, Taliedo. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay Napulan.
Kuha pangalawang tira. Mintes. Barcoma saves the ball. 5-point lead for Barangay Santo Niño. Navarro. Barcoma corner 3. Another miss from the same spot. Siniedas is there for that follow. Good effort by Siniedas, grabbing the offensive rebound. Oh, shout out ko sa dancer sa Wawawin. Campaner now to Castile making a play. Dingal umatras. Crosses over behind his back. Iba kalusot. 5-second shot clock. Double cross. At kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation for Barangay Napulan. Navarro smartly taking their time, maintaining their lead. 5-second shot clock. Signedas to Barcoma. Mintes, rebounded now by Campaner. To Dingal, transition offense. Dingal, lays it up, miss. Tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Barangay Napulan almost wins it, almost lost it. And stolen now by Kua. Kua lays it up for two. Castile now with the ball. Sa gitna in the lane, supalpal ni Barcoma.
Foul jersey number 16, Castile.
Butata ang inabot ng Barangay Napulan sa depensa ni Barcoma. Barcoma with his third block of the night. Ganda ng depensa ni Barcoma, number 10. Signedas inside Barcoma, out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Santo Niño. Kua, jumper, bang! Kua with that long two. Humantok catches the ball. Di makalusot. Nautok ka Taliedo. Bumaga, falls away. Yes, sir! By Taliedo. 65-56 with 1 minute and 55 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Naghahabol pa rin ang Barangay Napulan. Navarro over Barcoma, muntikan pang naagaw. Barcoma is fouled.
Foul jersey number 12, Campaner. Second personal foul, penalty.
And Barcoma, first throw, it's good. Second throw, pasok pa rin. Campaner now with the ball to the Tanagan. Spin move, strip from his hands. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Dingal to Campaner, over the Tanagan. Balik kay Campaner, fakes, fires and scores. Campaner and the Tanagan with a nice team play, the give and go. Barcoma, nice cut. Signedas, yay, traveling violation. Diretso ta to niya. Campaner. Dingal, he is fouled by Signedas. Pasok pa sana ang jumper na yun, no?
Foul jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
Dingal, hesitation. Crossover. Attacking. Basket at may kasamang foul para kay Dingal.
Foul jersey number 10. Barcoma. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay Santo Niño.
.44 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 7 ang lamang ng Barangay Santo Niño as Dingal nails his free throw, completing the 3-point play. 6 na lang. 40 segundos. Barcoma, no pressure here, no defensive pressure for Barangay Napulan. 30 seconds, 7-second shot clock. Kua Forced shot, no good. Barcoma is there to save the ball. Kuha sa ilalim. Supalpal ulit. And now Castile. 10 seconds. Castile. Tutalieno. Mintes. Rebounded by Castile. 5 seconds. Di pa tinira. Taking their time. And that's the end of our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Congratulations to Barangay Santo Niño. 67-61. Up next, Barangay Santiago versus Barangay Tiguma.
Barangay Santo Niño. Next game between Barangay Santiago versus Barangay Tiguma.
Masenso gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Asenso Barangay Kapong karon. Nahuman na gud ang atong first game which was played by Barangay Santo Niño versus Barangay Napolan, and the winner Barangay Santo Niño. Karon ninyong makita o gatuang mahinabi ang usa ka pangitang coach sa Barangay Santo Niño. Coach, may gabi kanimo, coach.
May gabi sa tanan. Nananaw sa dula na mo. Labi na sa ato ang langdong mayor sa Miko nga isa gyud siya gapasiugda ani nga dula. Akong gipasalamatan day ang amuang mga player nga kanunay gyud siyang gipakita nila nga goal lang gyud ta, dili ta ma-discourage niya. Kato nga dula importante kay tunamo kay for in case og makinaunsa og mo mindaog man gyud mi basin kami mo mahimong top 1 sa Magic sa top 8. O ako dahil shout out amo ang family, Cruz family. Daghang salamat.
Coach, mangutana lang ko, Coach, no? Kay kamo may nadaog karong gabi una. Unsa man nga mga strategies ang imong gihatag sa imong ka-team para ilaha kining ma-apply, Coach, o para sila ang modaog karon nga game?
Akong gistorya nila nga gingnan ako akong mga player before may nangani dire nga maningkamot yung ta anindulaa kayo dito maningkamot anindulaa natay chance nga dili ta matapuan mo nang hard jud ta sa ato ang defense then balik lang jud ta wala discourage umura to.
Wow, grabe kanindot po dahil nga strategy ang imong gihatag, Coach, no? Para ilahang ma-apply sa inyong team ug para kamo ang modaog sa atong first game karon. Coach, may gabi kanimo once again ug congratulations sa Tibok Team Barangay Santo Niño. Umakasenso na yan ang mugawa kana pa tayo next game which will be played by Barangay Tiguma versus Barangay Santiago. Umakasenso, ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, kung follow mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel ug sa atong YouTube account Asenso Sports Channel official. Agasok ko mo kalimot nga personal nga mabisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Gym para personal ka mo nga makatanaw ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga games. So kasenso no, may gabi ka natong tanan. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero. Padayon, Pag-Asenso, Pagadian.